Built in the early to mid-1900s, sits this once beautiful home isolated in the country. The nearby city has expanded over recent years and has encroached to its doorstep. "15 years ago, there was a medical clinic that operated out of the building. It became abandoned for a short while around 2011 before being converted into a dog grooming business. Then tragically, sometime in 2022, a fire started in the basement of the home and it was once again left without occupants.
All right, I've done a few intros on these exercise machines before. One of them I posted already. All right, got a really exciting house for you guys here today. It used to be a dog groomer's. Really cool place because of what happened. There's a lot of stuff left here. Over here we've got some couches. You know, we've got this elliptical here as well. There's a dining room table in that room. There's a whole bunch of stuff left to see here. There's even some artwork as well. Hope you guys are excited for this one. I know I am. Let's check out this static space. Okay, we've got a great little house here for you today. So this one used to be a dog groomer's. Turn that light on. Yeah, they definitely operated some sort of a business out of here. Dog grooming business. We'll see signs of that throughout the home. Shiny curtains. But yeah, and there's another surprise too. But this is a great house. Really excited to be here for this one. What is this? A kid's book. Sounds still work. Oh, it does. Monster truck. Well, that was fun. All these are the same curtains from the other window. So, yeah. And you can see there's Christmas lights still hanging here. A little bit creepy, to be honest. But yeah, this whole living room is still set up. It's crazy. Got two couches here that are pretty dirty. Lots of staining. I don't know, maybe they had animals, but that's gross. Nice leather couch here. This is cool though. So I've got an old school wooden desk. And then these plush animals here. The giraffe. Another nice little coffee table. Got your exercise bike here. Oh no, it's an elliptical, not a bike. So it's for walking with, without putting strain on your knees, right? That looks like 80s or 90s right there. Got some artwork too. Over here. Doubt that's a, oh, check out this suitcase. Well, that's cool. Yeah, a nice old suitcase. See if we can squeeze by this elliptical here with my backpack. Oh, that's tough. It's another big room. Looks like this was their dining room. There's a lot of stuff left over here too. It's a nice table. Yeah, I like that a lot actually. Oh, some Dr. Seuss. Yertle the Turtle. And other stories, of course. I can read with my eyes shut. Ha. No, you can't. Oh, we've got one of those, I don't know what you call them, head guards, I guess, to keep a dog from biting at his sore paw or whatever. I guess cats can wear them too. Oh, this is cool. So this is a really, really old recliner chair. And yeah, I've seen one just like it. Oh, maybe it doesn't recline. Yeah, I've seen one just like it. It's green, but it reclines. So this is probably a really old chair, like we're talking like 40, 50 years maybe. Oh, nice. Pretty cool trunk. Well, gotta check, see if there's anything in there. Not a thing, of course. And some kids' toys. Oh, styrofoam brick. That's cool. Well, there's a better look at that painting. Another painting. I don't know where that is. Like what city? Cadner. Huh. Nice floors too. I didn't even notice those till now. I heard them creaking. I mean, they're a little worn for sure, but nice and dark. And yeah, nice hardwood. Oh, looks like maybe this is where they did the nail trimming. Maybe. Oh, what's this? An unopened package. Oh, newsprint. Wow, that's a big box of newsprint. 30 pounds, 20 by 30 inches. I wonder how many sheets. Probably a few thousand at least. Guess that's to protect the table. They got a little doggo up there. Yeah, all sorts of stuff. Old towels and blankets for drying the animals. Ooh. Oh, diapers. Yeah, so you can see there's like a few smashed windows and stuff. So this place has seen a bit of vandalism, but it's not too bad. Is that a Gucci bag or a fake Gucci bag maybe? Oof. What is this? Oh, it's a little dog. Little stuffed dog. Oh, that's cool. So, you guys might notice my video footage is a little more stable than usual. This is my first time trying out my new stabilizer. It's nothing fancy, but it does a pretty good job considering how much it weighs. So I think this is my new setup. It makes it so that I can't get as wide of a view sometimes standing in the room, but that's okay. It's a small price to pay. I can still do it, but I lose the stabilization when I do that. Anyway, I'm pretty happy about it. Hopefully it makes my videos a little bit easier to watch as well. Really like this tile work though. Holy moly. That is some good stuff. Nice old tub and faucets here. I don't know why they painted them black. You know, it's just gonna peel off. Yeah, I love these old school tubs, especially with these ridges at the bottom there. Nice wood shelving. Oh, look at this mirror with the etching. That is cool. There's your sink, pedestal sink. That's really nice as well. And check out what it says on the toilet. So obviously this is a business, but they have some problems with people in the house, I think. So, yeah. All right, let's keep moving along because, oh, this is an employees only area. Oh, we didn't even check this room. But yeah, this video's already getting long just because there's so much stuff to see. Like we've even got nice trim work here. And look at these cobwebs. And this place hasn't even been abandoned all that long. Only like a year maybe? Year and a half. That would have been a nice cabinet. Oh yeah. See all the signs of something there. I won't say what it is yet, but some of you might be able to guess. Oh, cool. They've got a split door. Can't remember what these are called. Someone told me once, but I don't remember. Yeah, so we got January 2022 there. So, yeah, it's hasn't been all that long yet. All right, let's check out the kitchen, the small kitchen. Yeah, they left everything in here. Got popsicles. And, oh God, look at all those flies. Oh, that is disgusting. Good thing it was already open, because it would smell pretty bad otherwise. Yeah, this is a really small kitchen. Holy moly. I think this is one of the smallest kitchens I've ever seen. Empty wine bottles up there. So much for the stabilizer in this room. It's way too tight. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this place so far down in the comments. If you're new to the channel, if you like what you see so far, don't forget to subscribe. Also, give it a like. Come on, you know you want to. Oh, Mary Brown's. Well, this is interesting. Oops. Somebody's not happy. Baby Yoda. What is this? Alien tape? Never heard of that before. Let's go to the English side. This is an English channel. Oh, as seen on TV, so it's probably not good. Multifunctional Reusable double-sided tape. Huh. Reusable. All right. Well, guess I'll take your word for it. Can't see if it's any good because there's none in there, unfortunately. Oh, it's an extension of the kitchen here, I guess. Yeah, so maybe they converted at least part of the kitchen into maybe this room so that they'd have a, you know, an office space for their business, or a reception area, I should say. People sit and wait while they get their dogs groomed. A few nice dog paintings there. Live, love, woof. So this must have been the main door for the... We will come meet you outside. Interesting. Oh, they take square. Okay. It's pretty common nowadays, I guess, for small businesses. Some of them at least that don't do all that much business. Who knows? Maybe this was a really popular place. I have no idea. Wow, even all the jackets are still here. That's crazy. Cobwebs up there on the tree branch as well. All right, let's see what's down here. Oh my God. This is brutal. Now you guys are starting to get an idea of what happened. Why this place is abandoned. Looks like maybe all the bedrooms were down here because of the business upstairs taking up a couple rooms. Wow, rubber boots. Jeez. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow, yeah, it smells in here. Yeah, you guys can tell now. Definitely fire. Ooh, melted plastic. What is that? Kind of looks like a Christmas decoration. I don't know. Can't really tell when it's all melted like that. Whoa, egg cartons. So maybe they sold eggs or something too. Oh, they had a kitchen down here. There's the fridge. I don't think I'm getting over to that. I don't want to climb over all this stuff. Boy, this is devastating. Fortunately, everyone survived. Yeah, this is definitely their kitchen. Oh, this place is full of cobwebs too. Holy moly. You've got your cutlery over there. All the dishes. Boy, this is, it's tough to maneuver down here. Oh, here's their pantry. Yeah, also let me, maybe I said this already. So we got soup, beans, down on that shelf, and like pasta sauces up here, canned meats, crab meat. Ugh. I'll pass. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the image stabilizer. It's obviously not perfect and not as smooth as some other Explorers, but I'm happy with it. I think it's a lot smoother than it used to be. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's my first time using it. Okay, so an old oil heating tank here. God, there's so much stuff to look at, but I don't want to like climb over all this junk. Empty cooler. Got a freezer here. Yeah, there's probably stuff in there. Can't really see it though. Oh, check this out. Smurfs. Oh yeah, that stinks. Oh, that was gross. Oh boy, a whole Tupperware bin full of stuffed animals. That is a very recognizable suitcase for when you're traveling, when you're flying. What's a recce clinic, a Reiki clinic? Oh, maybe they did still use heating oil. Kind of looks like it. Oh, there's cobwebs everywhere here. This is an old school furnace. It's cracked now though. Maybe it's a boiler. Oh, that's right. There, I saw a radiator down here at least. So this is a boiler. Oh, wood boiler maybe? Wow. That is, I've never seen one like that in a house like this before. That is interesting. Oh, there's so much more to see here. Oh, check this out. In Instax's instant camera. The good times. Afro Man, eh? Oh, it stinks down here too. Yeah, this is definitely where their all their bedrooms were. Look at that, eh? Pretty cool bed. It could have had a like a canopy there hanging down. I like that. These places are always sad though, you know. Someone loses everything to fire. Absolutely devastating. Newer. Ha! I recognize that brand. Wonder what's in there. Yeah, it looks like it's probably a ring light, I would guess. That's cool. Of course it's not in there. Sample box of perfume, I think. Wow, so much stuff to see here. Nose rings. Makeup. Lots of shoes too. Holy. Pretty big bedroom with the two rooms here. Boy, that's nice. Holy. Check this out. Got some paints there and all the girls' clothing. Wow, that's really sad. Oh, she kept all her bags and this wrapping paper and stuff. That wrapping paper. Oh boy. Yeah, lots of art stuff here. We've even got this dress form as well. That's pretty cool. Very, very cool location. Boy, can't imagine what it would be like to go through something like this. You know, have your house catch on fire and burn down. I mean, it didn't burn down, obviously, but still, they lost everything, right? Oh, we got Friends DVDs down here. Yeah. Oh, I can't open that drawer anymore. All sorts of books. Star Wars DVDs. Nice chair. More books. Holy. That's pretty cool. More shoe boxes. Another bedroom by the looks of things. Oh, big TV. Holy moly. Do not disturb. Beautiful. Stay cool. This looks like it was a much younger kid's room. The other one looked more like they were a teenager. Big speakers. Maybe not then. Holy. Look at this. That is a really nice dresser. And it's still in really good shape too. Look at that. Even the coating's not marred at all. And look at that mirror. That is incredible. I don't know if it's actually an antique or anything, but certainly isn't brand new. Walking through cobwebs everywhere here. It's pretty gross, actually. Lots more shoe boxes. Wow. These people really like their shoes. Oh, they just used it for storage. Store whatever. Just notice the drop ceiling. I seem to remember there being a few more dress forms, but I don't know. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Wow, look at this, eh? Cold cellar. This basement feels a lot bigger than I expected it to be. I don't even know what these are. I think they're yoga balls or something like that. You like sit on them and instead of sitting on a chair. This is cool though, these two mannequins here. They're not even dress forms, they're mannequins. Full out mannequins. This is a big part of the reason I wanted to come to this location. I don't know why, but I like mannequins a lot. Oh, we've even got an arm there. Oh, spider webs everywhere. So we've got a male one there. Oh, got another one behind. Oh, wearing a dog t-shirt. That's appropriate. And we've got some dog carriers here as well. Yeah, so it looks like they were pretty serious about their... Oh, I'm covered in cobwebs. This is brutal. They're pretty serious about their dog grooming business. That's good to see. Yeah, they're all over my legs. It's really gross. Lots more books. Holy moly. Okay, this is definitely a really young kid. Like, look at this. This is for like, what, like a 5-year-old or something? So they had at least 3 kids. You can see the cobweb attached to his head. Another nice dresser. This almost looks like it was a crib. Yeah, there's holes there, so it probably had another side to it. So it used to be a crib for sure. Maybe now they turned it into like a couch type of deal. Dance like no one is watching. Well, I mean, if you want to, I guess you can. I'm not a dancer. These snow pants? Certainly look like it. Like military type snow pants. Oh, that's an old school $6 for a long underwear shirt. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this location. Pretty cool space. Also very sad, right? These sorts of situations, I can't imagine losing, you know, everything you've worked for, everything you've collected over the years, and just getting destroyed like that. All of a sudden, just everything taken away. It's a pretty awful situation, but hopefully this family recovered, and you know, they're doing better now than they were before. I couldn't help myself but hang out with this giraffe and the Dalmatian here because, you know, always got to make these intros and outros as interesting as possible. So thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Really hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. Pretty exciting place with all stuff left over. And those mannequins were a really cool part of the find. Anyway, thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. Give it a like, throw a comment down below. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see more of this content, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all at the next Static Space. Had to figure out how it worked. So I'm really excited to be Sorry guys, I'm a bit rusty. It's been a while since I filmed a video. Never actually used one of these before, so it's a little bit I don't know, got to figure it out, right? I think I'm using it right, going forward. Thanks a lot. No, not thanks a lot. All right, start again.